Here is my bounty from the plant. Look, it's called long-eared beans. It's not Asian. It's just called eared long. And I read somewhere eared long beans, snake beans. I just call eared long beans. And look at the cucumber. Here, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh my goodness. Here is a bounty of joy that keeps me happy, and you can say take control. Freshness. I'm just happy. My basket filled with the bounty. I'm sharing with you, okay? And they're not totally perfect shape because it's a small place I'm growing. They need it wild and more spread it out next year maybe. Okay, cucumber is low fat mineral for this summer. Okay, I hope you grow. What should I say? How is your Mary, quite contrary? How does your garden grow? Come on, Mary. Yeah, you want to see my garden grow? It did good. I'm happy with basket full of bounty.